Hello, friend. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
What's your good name?
Chudamani Rana.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Chudamani Rana. I am from Rukum, Nepal. I am education 12 pass.
Okay, how old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Okay. Are you married or single?
Married, sir.
Do you have kids?
Yes, one daughter, one son.
Okay, how many members in your family?
My family four.
Okay, why do you want to go to European country?
Uh, to earn money and support my family.
Okay, do you have any other friends or relatives working in there?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
No, sir.
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
No, sir.
Okay, are you mentally or medically fit?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for doing on-skill jobs like factory worker, warehouse worker, wet sorting, city cleaning, and indoor or outdoor works? Are you ready for doing anything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me your hands. Okay, thank you.